Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system update, and now your device will check for the updates. Basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the one where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on either install now or install overnight. And the second scenario is where your device will show you the information that everything is up to date and there's nothing to download. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.